Machini tugoska bosio mwanchu murigeria soroboti ronde ekiombe ekigetendere tabanyagitari Bw'Abateresa imeyense ya Kenya National Union of Nurses nigo bono kiagosereire gochia kogendera n'omogiro obo bw'emeremo goika serikali echigoikirania okoigwana gwonsi kwabo ase okoene kiangoikirania baro bokoreri bwabo koreng'ana n'omorikio omonene bw'ekiombe ekio Stephen Panyako Seth Panyako otebire ebarasa y'abagavana nigo bono yasinyirwe korigereria amang'ana y'abakori emeremo ase sector y'obocheno egento bono kiabaireire kogendera n'omogiro oyo morikito Linet Nyambane noarenga ayo agotumanyia senchera y'oboikerano
gukwana n'abariki b'amang'ana maya omubaso bw'eritiko ria rero korwa ase chiabisi chiabo aigaso omochio Nairobi n'abarai korwa ase ekiombe kia Bw'Abateresa kia Kenya National Union of Nurses ase baragwa n'omorikio obo omonene Seth Panyako nigo bagosereire gochikokora omogiro bw'emeremo inse y'amatuko 52 ase chinyagitari chinene imeyense echichigenderete korwa obokoreri.
Solidarity forever, solidarity forever, for the union makes us strong.
We consider this as the strike which should be the last one in our fight for the registration of the CPA conclusion and registration of the CPA for the nurses. That the nurses will not go back to work until SRC issues a letter of no objection on what has already been agreed. Number 3, that within 7 days, if the strike will not have ended, the union will escalate the strike to all national referral health facilities. And therefore, we are saying, we have in fact not mentioned the strike of 2021, which was on the same issues again.
Chinga kiechio batebire nigo babeire abaremereria ase gekigitambe na gitambo kiretukiye serikali ya imukiri ase bamochirie kigambire ekibatebire gekubagosereria.
And therefore we are saying, as a union, we have been so patient for about 10 years. 2016 up to now is almost 10 years. Our colleagues that had agreement in 2017 have had those agreements honored and arrears have been paid. We don't understand why the people charged with the responsibility of managing health in this country feel like nurses are not important and they should not, agreement ended between the government and the nurses should not be honored. We therefore say that we as a union are ready. We have had people talk about court orders. We are saying as a union, the court has stood in our way from 2016 up to now. The COG, SRC, liars with the courts. You can see even our courts giving final orders in inter-parties hearing. It never happens. A court denying us audience like in Kisumu and proceeds to confirm orders which are permanent in nature and proceeds to say we have not responded when the reality is that we were not even given time to respond. The return to work formula agreement stated that within 30 days the CPA was to be concluded and signed. The union and the Council of Governors embarked on completion of the CPA, whereby in December 2017, the CPA was concluded, initiated, and transmitted to Salaries and Remuneration Commission for a letter advising the county government to implement it, which is normally known as a letter of no objection nowadays. Up to now, I want to report that that letter of no objection has never been received by the union, either rejecting the CPA nor accepting that CPA for signing.
Bono batebire nigo bari tayari goika ase kigambiro onye babwate amamocho na onye gitambo kirekio na kikirairere amagani abo aikiranigwe.
A court of justice, employment and labor relation court, is a court that is supposed to improve relationship and not to break relationship the way the court in Kisumu has done. We are therefore, as law-abiding citizens, ready to appear to court and ready to tell the court that we want to take the punishment that might be meted on us, if that is what will mean nurses of this country can be respected and their CPA can be signed and registered in court. Otherwise, there is no going back to work.
Kuripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase e kaunti ya Nairobi, irietariane Linet Nyambane.